Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm about to install a few lights in one of the back gardens. So I'll be doing outdoor wiring, and there's a few sockets as well that I've got to add with a fuse spare. So I'll show you what I'll be doing today. Just before I do this, a couple of days ago I actually done some shelving in my van, and this is the shelf I actually made using the the plywood. And because this van here, it actually got three doors, got doors on both sides, so got like two double door here and also another door here as well. So on the other side, because we had to use on the left the left door, I decided to do some shelving, and it's easier to put all my stacks in. Some of them's got screws and some of them's got all different whatever I need for work. And I've got these boxes here which I've got like sockets and ceiling rods and connectors and stuff like that. So this is what I've done when I had a day off. I think it was last week. So anyway, so I'll show you what I'm doing today. We're actually working outside today. The weather's quite unpredictable. 1 minute sunny, 1 minute hailstones and raining and windy. So this is the back garden we're actually working on. And so what we're doing here, we're going to be putting some up and down lights all along the fence here. And there's going to be we'll be installing one outdoor socket here. So I've got the armored cable just coming underneath the decking, and also I'm going to have another fuse spare which will feed all the lights. And what I've done, I've actually got the armored cable underneath the decking, and then just underneath that the pebble stones and round buried into the ground. And here I can't really move this slab here. It's literally sand and cemented to the floor, so I didn't want to damage this. So I'm going to be clipping this onto the edge of that, and then around here. And this is where the feed comes out from inside the house. So this is going to be the fuse spare, and then I'm going to have the socket here, and from the socket I'm going to be feeding the other socket using this armored cable. So this is the kitchen, the back kitchen, and this is where the socket is actually I'm taking the feed from. So what I've actually done, I made a hole through there, and I'm just going to run it off this one. I say it will be protected by the 13 amp fuse spare, so it should be fine. My helper here is relaxing while it should be working. We're just having a little brew. This is a kettle I actually carry with me. It's so small, it's just enough to make 2 cups. We always carry this in our van, and wherever we go, and make a coffee on the site and carry this coffee all in one. So guys, before the weather changes, I'm just going to get this sockets in and start putting the lights. So thank you guys. So guys, what I normally do when I come to do something like this, and especially outside, when I'm using the pipe trunking, I put the solvent cement, it seals the pipe, and it actually seals it from any water penetrating through, and it sticks better as well. So that's it. I'll do the same on this side now. just gonna leave it to dry a bit, and then just gonna screw that back onto the wall and make sure it's nice and sealed. At the end I bought silicone, so it's just extra protection. So I've managed to screw these onto the wall now. I've got the top and bottom one now. So what I do, I use this, it's like black mastic water seal, and it's designed for outdoor. Mainly they use them for roof and stuff. So, and I go around, if you see the wire that's coming in, I make sure I put loads, even the screws. I don't want to be taking any risk, so no water can penetrate through. Same again on this side as well, all around. Even on the tip of these, where the pipe connects, the trunker connects. So all around I put this mastic on, so you get a good seal. The last thing you want is the RCD keep tripping because the water's inside. So I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. Hello guys, just an update video what we've done so far. I'd say I've been here full day and we managed to get it all done. So this is what we've done. So we've got the armored cable coming up and feeding the socket, and from the socket we've got the fuse spare, which is going to act as a switch for the lights. So we've got 5 up and down lights. There's 2 there, and also there's 1 here, and there's 2 on this wall. So I've just tested them all, they're all working at the minute. And what I've got to do now is I've got to do small holes just there, so if there's any moist or water gets inside, it'll drain out. Same again with all of them. So before I close them up, I'm going to do that. So this armored cable actually runs underneath the decking, and then it's been buried here in the ground, and then comes along here, and then that's a clipper here by the door and goes up to this socket here. And from the socket I've got the fuse spare, which actually protects the cable here. That's on a 13 amp, and the feeder is actually coming in from the inside of the kitchen socket. So I had to drill out, and so I put a load of silicone, mastic silicone, so no moist can get inside. Same again, I'll be doing some tiny holes underneath, just for the drain, if there's any moist gets inside. And I'm going to clip this here before I finish, and then I'll be doing the consumer unit. Yeah, so it's a bit windy and it's nice, sunny, but it's actually freezing. So thank you guys. I'll go inside, and when I'm doing the consumer unit changeover, I'll do further clip. Thank you. Hello guys, so I've managed to finish everything, including the consumer unit as well. So these are the lights I've actually put, so they're all working. So this is the, as I the sockets. So what I've done on the sockets as well, on the top, I just put a bit of silicone, just extra protection. This is all on. That's a nice little switch. But they're all working. The other socket here, yeah, again, that's a fuse spare, and it's on. And that's another double socket here. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.